Hey guys, so welcome back. A long time since I've posted the last video. So a lot of things has happened in my life. It's been approximately 3 weeks since I posted the last video, and the last video was me ranting about life in general. If you haven't checked that, you can check it. So the last video was very disappointing. I was very depressed in the last video, and I've shared it. What were my feelings? Right, so you can go and check it out. But in this video I wanted to come back and keep sharing my progress, because I've been kind of derailed since the last video. There are a lot of things which are going on in the life, the normal distractions, ladki wadki ka chakkar वो सब थोड़ा हो गया था. That's why I won't say that I didn't touch my books at all, or didn't touch. I was ekdam out of touch from what I was doing, the DSA and MERN thing. But my progress was very slow. If, for example, if in one day I could watch 10 videos, instead of I was watching 2 or 3, my productivity declined by, let's say, 70 to 80%, right? So, but now, yesterday my father scolded me like shit, but he didn't know that it was a ladki ka chakkar, but he scolded me a lot because he sensed that I was depressed, and he उनका मतलब समझाने का तरीका, मोटिवेट करने का तरीका डांटना है. एंड आई पर्सनली फील दैट लाइफ में कभी कभी डांट ज़रूरी होता है, टू गेट बैक इन ट्रैक. सो आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट ही स्कोल्डेड मी. सो टुडे आई एम बैक ऑन ट्रैक, doing what I do best. Yes, that is the data structures and the MERN stack. So let me tell you what I did on data structures today. I've been watching this playlist. I've been watching a lot of playlists on service-based companies coding questions like IBM and Infosys. I've completed the IBM playlist which I was watching before. You can check it out. So as I said, I did not. It's not like I did not open my laptop and did not study at all. My productivity was very down, but slowly and steadily I completed a few stuff. Like I completed this, and there was a TypeScript playlist which I was watching. I also completed that, and I've also made a lot of progress in the project of a TypeScript which uses TypeScript. I'll show you later. It's on my desktop, as you can see. This is the folder, gym TypeScript. This is a gym application using TypeScript. I'm making this, right? And I've also made progress on my backend part. This is the coding which I've done to it. This code is very easy. I solved it. So I'll just explain you what has happened here. It's like there is a number and there is a digit, and you have to remove the digit and print the number. Like if you remove the digit 3, it will print 1 2. The only caveat is that for example, if they're repeating elements, like if they're repeating digits, then you have to return 1 with the maximum 1. So like if you remove 1 from here, then the resultant will be 2 3 1. If you remove 1 from the last position, the resultant will be 1 2 3. So you have to print the maximum, which is 2 3 1. So my approach was that I first stored the indices of all the occurrences of the digit, and then I took all the substrings from there after removing that, and then I pushed all the substrings in a max heap. And since a max heap in C++ always gives the maximum lexicographically sorted value of a string, so then by that approach I got this answer. I did it completely on my own. So the time complexity was linear because of space. I used extra space, right, because max heap uses space also, and a vector to store the indices. So I'm okay with space complexity being used because I'm not that hardcore of a DSA fan, like एकदम हर एक चीज़ एकदम optimize करना है to the bone. Like of course I try to reduce the time complexity as much as possible, but I don't try to reduce the space very much. It's okay if I take some space to solve the problem, because itna hardcore DSA I don't think, because I'm not targeting FANG companies or JP Morgan or Morgan Stanley and a lot of big companies which are their interview rounds are pure DSA and competitive programming, and there you require that you have to ekdam fully optimized solution you have to give to the interviewer. But since I'm opting for small scale startups and mid-sized companies, और ऐसा environment में तो भाई जो मिल जाए आजकल, so for that I'm not focusing on optimizing the solution a lot, just to get the answer in a reasonable way. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि O of n square O of n cube में आंसर ला रहा हूँ. In a reasonable way I'm trying to get the answer. So this was the problem which I solved today. This was, by the way, number 7th problem, right? I've watched all these videos. The first 3 problems were trapping rainwater problem. It's a great problem, man. I've done this for the first time and my mind was blown. I'm sure you have heard about it, the trapping rainwater problem. It's a standard famous problem, right? And I'm here. I did this. and tomorrow I'll continue with these videos. I'll finish this also, and I'll keep you guys updated also. And yeah, now for the real deal, the MERN stack part, I did this. Let me show you. MERN stack part, I made progress on learning MongoDB. As I said, wait, it's loading. Why the fuck it is taking so long? I don't know. As you see, I've been watching Chetan Bhagat's motivational videos. I said because I was very depressed. लड़की का चक्कर ना बाबू भैया, एक लड़की के लिए रो रहे हो, तुम्हारी लाइफ लुक्खी है, ये सब वीडियो देखना पड़ है भाई आजकल. अब क्या करूँ यार, इम्पोर्टेंट टाइम में ही मतलब भगवान ये सब बुगली फेंक देते हैं लाइफ में, डिस्ट्रैक्शन. बट डील कर रहा हूँ यार, निकलना पड़ेगा ये सब चीज़ से, यू नो. So just let me show you what I've learned on my MERN stack part today. अरे लोड हो जा मामा. Yeah, so I'm here somewhere, right? I'm learning the MongoDB part right now. Commands, how to retrieve commands, and how to retrieve documents from the database. The commands which are required on MongoDB. So I'm currently here. So this is a 12-hour course, and I have completed 5 hours 5 minutes. I'm on 5 hours 5 minutes. I did the create operation and the read operation. Now the update and delete operation is left. The commands of MongoDB, right? So as you can see, I have been also asking ChatGPT to make notes. Like, अब हाथ से थोड़ी लिखूँगा भाई आजकल. Don't have that much time. I mean, I have time, but well, let's be honest, I'm kind of lazy to make notes by my hand when I have the technology to do so. So as you can see, this is the document. This is the notes which will go into my digital note copy, right? These are the notes. And I'm asking ChatGPT also, and ChatGPT is giving me all the notes, all the commands. As you can see, this is for the find operation, which search filters. Then this is also called projection in MongoDB. This is also called, and the next concept is filtering in MongoDB, where you retrieve a few documents based on some specific conditions. These are the conditions. Then also use and or operation, how to use the and or operation to find records, you know, and all the extra concepts. I'm learning this. So yeah, halfway done, halfway more to go, a lot of things to complete. But, and as I said, I was watching this gym video, I was building this application. This application has also completed, I have around completed 2 hours 20 minutes. I'll complete the rest, okay? And yeah, that's it for now. I mean, ये सब complete किया, I've done all these things. To be honest, I'm still not back on track 100%. A lot of things are left here. There's a lot of uncertainty, but we keep going. That's what we do. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.